Patagonia is a vast area of South America encompassing the lower geography of Chile and Argentina. Landscapes range dramatically from glacier-capped mountains surrounded by clear blue lakes to brown, desolate, and dry deserts. Like glaciers in summer, distinct immigrant cultures melt into a fascinating blend as diverse as the panoramas. Despite several trips nearby, I'd never made it to Patagonia, but a window of opportunity finally cracked open. However, with over 250,000 miles of expanse, where to begin? Fortunately, a charismatic and knowledgeable Argentine friend of a friend became my friend. Rafa from Authentic Argentina would be an invaluable companion and guide for my virgin exploration. We'll take the 7 Lakes route of Argentina's northern Patagonia together. So come with us. It's time for Raw Travel to explore San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina, and Patagonia's Lake District.
Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for Raw Travel.